Hello guys, today I have planned one hike and it's random people. I found some group, international women group in Facebook. So I joined it and first time I meet them today and yeah, we can explore it. Just be with me and enjoy.
I reach at the station. Now you can see in Sundays most of the stations are empty. So maybe it's fun or maybe it's bored, but it's good for me because I'm very shy in recording in public.
You have like to enjoy as it is, you know. Yeah, exactly. Like
Hot in morning it's cold. So every time wear jacket.
at the night actually it gets cold. Yes. Okay.
Now we
Hot.
reach at Basdorf Bahnhof. She is Aline and she is originally from Brazil but now live here in Germany. She is not only passionate about nature but she also organize hiking trips and bring peoples together in the most beautiful way. In my genuine opinion, she is a truly great lady, kind, inspiring and full of positive energy. I absolutely love her approach to connecting people through outdoor adventure. Now we are entering in the village and you can see all the streets are empty and peaceful, silent. You can see typical German houses, house with beautiful garden. It's look amazing. Now we are enter into the beautiful protected forest and follow peaceful trails surrounded by nature. It's a part of Berlin district and surrounded by dense forest, making it perfect for a quick nature getaway. You can see it's a good and beautiful and silent, peaceful surrounding area. The Basdorf forest traits are known for a wild, peaceful and walking paths, perfect routes for cycling also, natural wildlife and birds, clean, fresh forest air. Whether you want a short, relaxing walk or a longer hike, the trails offer something for everyone. If you want peaceful, you can visit this place.
So die drei Formen für diese. Weil wenn du das einfach so essen würdest, das kannst du nicht, das ist so hart wie Holz. Ja, nicht. Ja. Und da würde dein Körper gar nicht aufnehmen. Ja. Und what is it for? What is it good for? Muss jetzt mal, ja, ich weiß nicht genau. Aber du kannst es, alles kannst du googeln heutzutage. Ja. Wenn du den Namen hast. Ja, ja.
And right here, you can see a beautiful Dammsmühle Palace beside the lake. Just look at how beautiful it reflects on the water. It almost feels like something out of the fairy tales. Honestly, it's absolutely stunning. I really hope that one day in my life I can own a place like this, surrounding peaceful, surrounded by nature, where you can truly relax and enjoy the beauty of.
This is not like the best season, you know. There's not. Yeah, more like that. Actually, when you go out, like you also look for but you taste them only when you go out.
Hallo, guten Tag.
Mais la porte, elle était ouverte. Je croyais qu'on pouvait monter. Et bien, il m'a dit, tu descends, tu ne mettras pas. Je peux plus les voir.
Be careful.
Et maintenant, avec le chauffeur féminin,
Oh,
ils ont même un test, parce qu'il y a une française qui a parfaitement. Tu as genre 60 secondes pour sortir ta carte. Si tu dépasses, tu as le droit de te mettre une amende. Donc elle a eu une altercation avec un des gars parce qu'elle filait dans son sac en fait. Et c'est parti au police. Donc moi je n'aime pas donc moi j'ai trouvé le problème dans mon téléphone, enfin j'ai mon abonnement sur mon téléphone. L'application n'avait pas été installée. Et donc à chaque fois qu'on la réinstalle, et donc là mon phone, quand elle était là. Et j'essayais, j'essayais de réinstaller mon application. Ça ne voulait pas, il y a 15 jours, je lui ai dit, ah ben là, elle n'arrête pas de parler en allemand. Ah, c'est non. Et donc finalement, ça va être un peu ça.
I have to say, I am genuinely impressed by the way German protects its natural environment. The law here for nature and forest protection are very strong, and more importantly, they are actually followed. You can clearly see the effect to preserve forest, wildlife, and natural beauty. It's not just about the rules, it's about responsibility. People here truly respect nature, and that makes a huge difference. I really admire this approach. It's so how a country can grow and develop while still protecting its environment. I have now arrived at a really cute little coffee shop. It's absolutely beautiful inside, very cozy and full of charm. There are quite a lot of people here, so I feel a bit shy about recording them, but I will show you what I can. But let me tell you, the coffee and the cake are just amazing. Everything looks so delicious, and the atmosphere makes it even more enjoyable. Sometimes these small moments, good coffee, a sweet treat, and a peaceful vibe, are all you need to make a day perfect. After enjoying that lovely coffee break, we made our way back to the station, and just like that, our trip comes to the end. I really hope you enjoy this journey with me.